Hi, I'm Bill Bowler, and this video introduces my story, Dark Music. Hayden, Toby, and Inaya are three friends from high school. They live in South London, in a place called Effreton. When Hayden and Inaya join the Effreton Community Choir, they meet the weird choir director, Dr. Darrell Deadman. He's preparing a concert for Shakespeare's birthday. Then, one night, the star of the show dies, but Dr. Darrell goes ahead with the concert using a digital avatar. Can the three friends guide the police to the dark secrets behind Dr. Darrell's music? What exactly are his crimes? Join the forum discussion and vote to shape the mystery.